Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing, a back-to-back unboxing today. So this is what I purchased online, and it is a Coach bag. So it is part of the Coach original collection, which is the Willis 18. So it was so funny. It's because I have been loving my previous Willis, which is in vermilion color, orange color, and I was thinking of like stalking the website to see if they come up with if the color flax, which is a yellow, so if that would popped up and became available, because everything, I think everything aside from the color, what was that color, chalk, the white, is available, but the rest are sold out. So I went on the website and saw that the color flax, the yellow, is available, and I said, no, there's no way I'm not gonna get it. I should get the one, and it's only one in stock, so there's only one left. Then again, I was just thinking that it might be a return or something that, you know, like that. There might be like this already been used or whatever, because most of the time, like when there's only one left, I always think that way. I don't know why. I mean, it may not be the case, but I always think that if there's only one left, it is a return or something that, you know, people purchase it and didn't want it and then return it. My only concern with the return item, because, you know, I received items in the past that I paid for regular price. It's not even in sale, but it was all like there's dirt in it, there's dent or something like that. But the Willis 18, this one that I purchased, these are not on sale. This is regular price. So guys, let me show you the Coach Willis 18. This is their packaging. I forgot to ask it to pack as a gift, so this is how it looks like. So this is the card that comes along with it, and yes, the dust bag. The dust bag for this collection is different. This is more of like a cotton. The rest of the purses are probably like has a shine to it. So this one is more of like the dust bag is cotton 1941. Just to give you an idea, this is the shiny dust bag that I was talking earlier. And this one is the 1941 Coach dust bag collection that I got. It's much more of like a made up of cotton material. This one is more of like silk. This one is actually nice. This one is okay. Let me show it to you guys. So this is the Willis Top Handle 18 in flax. The color is in flax. It's so beautiful. Wow, the color is amazing. Amazing once again. Oh yeah, they wrapped this one nicely. That's the hang tag. Yeah, that's how it looks like. A quick look. Oh, this lovely Willis, and this is in color flax. Okay, the hardware for this one, the Turnlock hardware, is made up of pewter. Okay, it's actually a nice combination though, compared to the brass. This is nice. And also here at the top handle is pewter, everything. Let me open. This is how it looks inside. It has a leather lining and ox blood. Yes. It's more of like a dark brown. So yeah, my favorite. I keep saying that the inside lining, it makes your money worth. If the purse has a leather lining, it's just so beautiful. It's so soft. So this one has a lot of stuffing. So pretty much, I'm not 100%. This is brand new, but everything is all wrapped. And also the strap is attached to the bag itself. And yes, the inside is so beautiful, guys. It has one compartment right here in front, one large in the middle, and also at the back, a slip pocket at the back. Slip pocket at the back. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. The stitching, the contrast. I love the large stitching. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. Wow. The hardware, the pewter hardware, works really well in this color. I'm not crazy about the pewter, but for this one, it looks just perfect. It's pretty amazing. Once again, this one is made up of a genuine Glovetanned leather. Beautiful. It's really soft, buttery soft and smooth. Very lovely. So this is $350. So this particular collection, the Willis, is not on sale. $350. And yeah, slip pocket in the back. Let me just show you my phone. This is the 7 Plus. Yeah, I don't think that would fit. Let me see on the inside. Yeah, this one, yeah, it fits actually. It fits. The 7 Plus fits in here, but I have an iPhone SE which is a little smaller, so it's perfectly fine, and I'm just showing it to you for the reference. If you have a larger phone, that would fit in here. The 11 Pro Max would also fit in here because they're just the same size. I have an 11 Pro Max case here. It fits as well. No problem. Yeah. So yeah, they're just in the same size though, for the size reference. The 11 Pro Max and the 7 Plus, they are just the same size. And also, I'm gonna get the other one, the Vermilion color. And I have been like looking around to see if I could complete all the colors. But unfortunately, I'm not sure if they're gonna restock it. I'll keep checking online. And here is the Vermilion. It's a beautiful, perfect for summer color, guys. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful up close. The stitching, the lovely stitching stood out. Very lovely, very nice, classy bag. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. And also, I was thinking of this bag with my purchase of a Cassie 19. It comes with a chain strap in pewter. Let me try and see if I would put that chain strap over here. Let me see how this one looks like. Let me just put this one in here. If this would work. I'm just curious. Okay. Yes. This is how it would look with, okay, this is how it would look with the pewter chain strap that I got from Cassie. I think it looks great. Or you could just, yeah, it looks great. Oh wow. If the chain would be like that, would have been perfect. If you just really wanted to dress it up, that would look good. But this one is not bad at all. It's beautiful. So that's how it would look if you're gonna put the chain in it. But probably I'm not gonna do that because the chain itself is heavy. The chain is not lightweight, it is heavy, guys. So out of curiosity, I'm just showing it to you how it would look because I'm so excited with this bag. And this one, yeah, comes with the leather strap. So they wrapped it really nicely. That's good. And also, yes, love the top handle. I keep saying that I love the top handle. Yeah, this bag, you could probably get it in a resale. On other website, I guess, on other resale websites, you would probably gonna find this one, but probably you're gonna pay more. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure on the website this has already been sold out. But who knows? I mean, the last time I was checking on the website, this has already been sold out completely. The Willis, and this one showed up all of a sudden. And okay, there's because the website will tell you how many they have in stock left, if they have 5 or 6. But when I check the website, when I purchase it, there's only 1 left, and this is not available at the store. So I called the store. I asked the sales associate at the store, at the coach, this one is not available at the store. They never had this one at the store. Yeah, so some of those bags that are like online exclusive, so you can't find it at the store. You can only purchase it online. And I was happy with this purchase. Willis is such a beautiful, beautiful structured bag. The leather is wonderful. This is so beautiful for summer. I just love that this is not like very, very like bright yellow. This is just like a little bit of like, it has a dark yellowish, I don't know, it's so hard to explain. Like looking at the side over here, it's a little dark, and then the light, and it is a dark contrast at the corner. It is so beautiful. I'm not sure if my camera is catching up with the, you know, yeah, this one is darker over here. I don't know if you could see that, but I am actually seeing it here on my side. And then this is the lighter side of it, right? So it is beautiful, guys. So I'm just so happy that I was able to get a hands on these. I am planning to complete all the colors for the Willis, but I am hoping that the rest of the color would be available soon. And yeah, that just makes me happy. Like, you know, I just makes me happy to see all those pop of colors. So anyways, that's it for today, guys, for my online purchase. And I will definitely gonna recommend this bag. The structure, the craftsmanship is so beautiful on Willis. I mean, the stitching is awesome. It's so beautiful. It adds beauty. It adds like, yeah, it's so beautiful. I just love the large stitch, guys. It's so beautiful. They're well aligned. It's like, yeah, handmade, of course. And also the leather lining on inside, you can't get wrong with this bag. It's the leather lining is everything. It's beautiful. It's really soft. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a great weekend. And don't forget to drink plenty of water. Hydrate, because it is 91 degrees outside. I don't know anywhere else. Maybe some parts in Nevada, it's probably at least close to 100 degrees. But here it is 91. Yesterday it's really, really humid. It's hot. And also today. So just get yourself something to drink, get yourself hydrated, to stay healthy, young, and beautiful. That's the secret. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Bye!